How to find someone on Facebook using their email address. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Facebook and then log in to your account. First of all, make sure the person's email is saved in your phone's contact list. Now after that, tap on the three-line icon. Scroll below, tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Inside here, tap on See More in Account Center. Scroll down, then tap on Your Information and Permissions. Just like that, scroll below, then tap on Upload Contacts. Now simply toggle on this button. After a few seconds, Facebook may show friend suggestion based on your synced contact. Check the suggestion to see if the person appears. If you find them, great. If not, you can simply open any browser. In the search bar, you can search for Find My Facebook account. And just like that, open the official recovery page. From here, choose the option to search using email address and then enter the email address linked to that person's Facebook account. Just note that this only works if the email is actually connected to their Facebook profile. If successful, their profile name and profile picture may appear. Just like that, in this way, you can find someone on Facebook using their email address. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.